We can do this problem now, or we can do it calculator. Let's do it now. Hey, it's me, Denzel Washington from TarverAcademy.com, and I'm here for your problem of the day. That's enough of my words. Let's get to problems. Here we go. All right, so what we have here is we've got two parallel lines. I'm going to mark them parallel. And you've got a transversal. All right, you need to solve for this angle right here. That's what I want you to find. Find that angle right there. All right, I'm going to let you work it, and then I'm going to show you how to work it. Ready? Go. Hopefully you paused it. Now you've got something to work with. You learn so much more when you try it yourself. Okay, so here are things with whenever you have parallel lines cut by transversal. Anytime you're trying to find angles, you've got 8 angles here. There. You've only got 2 options when you're matching up these angles and comparing them. Either they're going to be exactly equal, or they're going to add up to equal 180 degrees. They're either the exact same angle, or they form a line. Okay, it doesn't matter which 2 angles out of all 8 of these that you put together, those are your only 2 options. Okay, I'm going to hit you with the easiest way to do that. On most parallel lines cut by transversal, the easiest way is just use what I call TBL. Tell by looking. All right, you just look at it. If one of them is greater than 90 degrees, which unless they're right angles, one of them will be greater than 90 degrees, one will be less than 90 degrees, which means one will be acute, one will be obtuse. This is greater than 90, it's obtuse. This is greater than 90, it's obtuse. If they're both obtuse, that means they are equal. Okay, because you can't have 2 angles that are greater than 90 that add up to 180. Okay, it's the same thing with acute. You cannot have 2 angles that are less than 90 to add up to 180. All right, so that's the easiest way to do it. However, the mathematical way to do it is you take these angles right here, you pick it up, and you set it on top of the other one. Pick it straight up in the air, move it over, and drop it down. All right, if you do that, this angle is right here, correct? Now, it's a lot easier to look and see if they're supposed to be equal or supplementary. All right, if they're vertical angles, which means if they're opposite from each other, which these 2 would be, that means they're equal, because we know vertical angles are always equal. If it was here or here, that means it would make a line with it right there, or it would make a line with it right there, and then they'd be supplementary. So we know these 2 are equal. We're not done. That just helps us set up the problem. So we're going to do it like this. All right, so we want to set it up. 3y plus 53 equals, it's the only thing I'm bringing to the table, 7y minus 55. All right, we get our y's together. I'm going to take my smaller one and get it over here. So that's positive, so I have to subtract. That cancels out. It's a 0. 53 equals, and then 7y minus 3y is just 4y. And then we bring down our negative 55. Now we got to get the 55 over here, correct? Add 55 to both sides. That cancels out. That's 4y. That's 55. I wrote it like a 3, sorry. So that'd be 108. All right, and then we just divide. It's 4 times y, so the opposite of times is divide. I said times like I'm in 3rd grade. Multiplication. And so we divide 4 over there, and it'd be 25 and then 2. So 27 equals y. And then you're done, right? Wrong. You're not done. This is where a lot of kids mess up, because they'll do all this work, get a number, and be like, I'm done. I didn't ask for that y. I didn't ask for what y is. I asked for what that angle is. Okay, so you got to plug that 27 in. So to be 27, so you got 3. My y is right there, so I'm going to put in 27 plus 53. So 3 times 27 is 71, I think, plus 53. If it's wrong, I'm sorry. Just tell me in the comments and blast me. All right, then 71 plus 53 would be 124, I think. Is that right? Let's say it is. 124 degrees. Now, I know that makes sense. It's in my range of possible answers because it is obtuse, which is what this looks like. It's greater than 90, but it's less than 180. It can't be more than 180 because that would be greater than that line. All right, and so that is 124. So what would this be? 124. All right, thank you guys for tuning in. If you could, it'd be great if you would check out TarverAcademy.com. I'd really appreciate it. It's very sweet of you. You're just the sweetest in the whole wide world. And I hope you, more than that, have a great day. Thanks for learning with TarverAcademy.com.